What crime do you suspend me of committing?
You're not committing a crime right now.
Oh, thank you. What crime do you suspend me of committing to be transparent?
All right, we're done here.
Hi to all my subscribers. Hi everybody, Chan Watch and Report here. My name is Jorge. It has been a long time. A lot of things have happened regarding my case, and in the eve of the hearing for a motion to dismiss my case, I want to update you first on the content of the probable cause affidavit issued by Officer Kevin Campbell. On 6/13/19, I responded to 2001 Siesta Drive in reference to the defendant Jorge, who was refusing to leave the business.
Sir, what's your name and badge number?
It's Officer Campbell, 1773.
I'm leaving.
Okay,
I'm
I need
leaving.
your ID.
I'm leaving.
Upon arrival, I made contact with the complainant, security guard William Lefevre. He stated that Jorge has been causing a disturbance and he would like him to be trespassed.
No, he's not causing any problems.
No, of course not.
He's not causing any problems. No, he's fine. We're just having a conversation. I think the proper term would be button pushing is what would be happening here. So, if you'd like to have a seat, that'd be great.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. What was your number? 42?
42, sir.
Have a seat.
Yeah.
I'll be with you soon. Get these other people taken care of.
All right. I have business here.
Well, if you have business, then have a seat.
All right, we're done here. Okay. All right, we're done here. Okay.
5 now, I just want to go 14.
I'll get you a ticket, all right? Are you by yourself?
Yes, sir, you were trespassing. You were given multiple opportunities to provide an identification. Stop.
I'm not resisting. Go ahead, do the thing, Campbell.
You got any weapons on you?
No, sir. Please don't break mine.
No, I won't.
Please. Mine.
No, I won't.
Please, please, please.
Based on the aforementioned facts, probable cause exists to charge Jorge with 1 count of resisting an officer without violence.
Sir, what crime do you suspend me of committing?
You're not committing a crime right now.
Oh, thank you.
You're not committing a crime right now.
Oh, thank you. Campbell, you said that there's no crime has been committed here.
You're
You
right.
said that on camera.
You're right. You got your ID on you?
I want you guys to know that within this very same case, there has been a very serious violation of my due process. I will keep you updated on that one too pretty soon. Stay tuned, stay strong, let the freedom ring. God bless you, God bless America. Thank you so much.